Guys, you are about to see 10 everyday YouTube tips, tricks, and hacks that'll blow your mind into outer space. You may think you know your way around YouTube, but there are some surprising things that I bet you didn't know. So hold it to your phones because these tips and tricks are about to get real good. Let's get into it. Alright, did you know if you're watching a YouTube video and you double tap twice on the right hand side, it'll actually skip 30 seconds ahead, and the same goes for the left hand side. If you double tap and then keep on tapping, it'll actually multiply the seconds and jump ahead that far in the video. So this feature is already activated, but if you want to change the timing, just head on over to settings, and then under settings click on general at the top there. Under general, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see here double tap to seek, and then you can select how many seconds you want the video to jump forward by. So now when I tap, it only jumps ahead by 10 seconds. Guys, I cannot even tell you how useful this feature is, and when there's something in a video I just want to get past, I double tap. So just try it out now, guys, and see how cool it is. Double tap left to go back. If you're on desktop though, you can literally just press L and it'll skip forward a couple seconds. If you want to go back some seconds, just click on J. And then if you want to pause the video, you can press K. And if you want to keep it playing, press K again. Oh man, these are so good. Ooh, now when I learned this one, guys, it changed my YouTube viewing forever. It is so cool, and it's speedy playbacks. So if you're watching a video on YouTube and you just want it to be quicker, speed things up, if you click on those three dots in the top right hand corner and select playback speed, you can actually make this video fast forward or slow down depending on what speed you choose. So here I'm selecting ×2, and now the video is double the speed. You'll be amazed at how many videos I use this on. It is seriously nifty. And likewise, if you want to slow things down, again, just select the playback speed, make it really slow, and then you can make sure you don't miss anything. So try these different speed settings out, and I guarantee you will end up using these way more than you ever thought. Now, I bet you guys didn't know you can actually watch YouTube videos with a VR headset. If you select those three dots in the top right hand corner, under the options you will see Watch in VR. And literally, YouTube will change the viewing to VR. You pop this in your virtual reality headset, and I promise you it's like watching YouTube in a cinema. You can also control functions with your eyes. Oh my goodness, it's so epic. Now this is another really nifty trick, and it's for those who like watching YouTube videos on their laptops. If you select a number like 5, it'll take you 50% into the video. If you select 4, it'll take you at the 40% mark. So if you want to scrub forwards or backwards, just select a number, and that number will jump to the percentage you have selected. This is so convenient and pretty nifty. Now, if you want to spice up your comments in YouTube and stand out, simply go to Google and type in Lingo Jam. Once you're on the Lingo Jam website, just type in the comment you would like to spice up, and then what you're going to be able to do is select your comment in a different font. So over here, you can see the various font options. So go on and scroll through those until you find the font you want. I like this one. You're going to select everything and then press copy. So it'll copy your epic font. Go on into YouTube and the video you want to comment on, simply paste it in, and your comment, I guarantee, is going to stand out from everyone's. So go ahead, guys, try it out now. Comment on this video, use a nifty little font like this, and enjoy. Okay guys, on to number 6. Let's say you're watching one of my tips, tricks, and hacks videos and you want to share a specific part with a friend. Simply pause the video where you want to share it and click the share button. Then you can select this option that says start at the time of which you pause the video. Simply copy this link, share it with your friend, and then when they paste in the link in Google, it'll open up and start playing at that exact time that you paused it at. How nifty is that? Did you know you can actually view YouTube in dark mode? So this is what it usually looks like, but if you click on those three dots in the top right hand corner and select settings, Under there, you will select General and then see the option to toggle on or off dark theme. So if you toggle it on, bam, you've got dark theme. Toggle it back off, toggle it back on, you do you boo. But what's great about this option is not only does it really help save battery life, but it's also a lot softer on your eyes. So your eyes do not strain as much when this mode is on. And I just love that there's this option. Now come on, I know you guys. Sometimes you just want to hop on YouTube and search something weird, but not have recommendations later on. So if you click on the home icon and then select your profile icon at the top right hand corner, an option will appear that says turn on incognito. And for those of you who don't know or maybe are not sure, incognito basically means that YouTube will not hold your search history or recommend anything to you based off what you've watched in the past. So now if you go through your feed or click on the search icon, there will be no recommendations whatsoever, and it'll remind you that your search history is paused. So I just searched PewDiePie, I could check out some of his videos, but then not get recommendations later on when I'm back on my normal profile. This is another great little trick and something I use often. If you're scrolling through your feed and you see, oh my goodness, an owl, I am not a fan of owls and I do not want to see this video, okay? Then all you need to do is simply click those three dots and then select the option not interested. YouTube will then remove this video and not recommend similar videos like this to you again in future. FYI, I'm actually a huge fan of owls, but those pimple popping videos, On to my favorite one, and that is downloading videos so you can watch them when you're not connected to Wi-Fi or have data. So if you click on those three dots, you simply select the option download, and what this will do is actually start downloading the video so that you can watch it when you don't have access to Wi-Fi or data. So if you're traveling on a plane or a train and you want to watch your favorite videos, head on over to Library, and under Library you will see the option that says Downloads, and in here you will of course find all the videos that you previously downloaded. So obviously make sure to do this when you're on your Wi-Fi or something at home before you leave for your plane or your train. Another awesome thing you can do is like and subscribe, or check out my other most popular tips, tricks, and hacks videos right over here. You can check out Instagram or WhatsApp. You'll definitely learn something new. Okay, toodles!